The desktop version of Microsoft Teams offers a full range of useful functionalities, but you may have your habits on the web version, which you can access by logging into your Office 365 account from a browser. This video will give you an overview of the web version's interface and features. I currently have the Office 365 homepage open in my browser, and I am already logged into my account. There are several ways you can access the Teams application from here. One way is to click on the App Launcher button at the top left, and from the menu click on the Microsoft Teams icon. Microsoft Teams for the web will now open in the same browser tab. From the web application of Microsoft Teams, you can open other Office applications. To do this, I'll click on the App Launcher button at the top left, and from the menu I'll click on the Excel application. Excel will now open in another tab in my browser. Note that you cannot perform this action from the desktop version of Microsoft Teams. I'll close Excel by clicking on the X icon on the right of this browser tab. Similar to the desktop application, on the left of the interface is the taskbar, where you will find the activity, chat and Teams button, etc. To the right of this is the navigation pane, and in the center of the app is the central workspace. Note that there is no major difference between the desktop and web version of Microsoft Teams, except for the App Launcher button in the web version at the top left. At the top right of the application, I'll click on my account avatar, and at the bottom of the menu are the options to download the desktop or mobile application. I'm going to click away to close this menu. At the bottom right of the window is a Microsoft Teams dialog box, asking if you would like to turn on desktop notifications for this application. To turn on desktop notifications, click on Turn On at the bottom left of the dialog box. Notifications blocked will then appear in the right of the browser's address bar. Click this, and from the bottom right of the menu, click the Allow for this site button. Desktop notifications have now been turned on for this application. So now, even if you are only using the web version of the application, and for example your browser window is minimized, you can still get notified of activity on your desktop. When in a meeting in the web version of Microsoft Teams, you'll only be able to share your screen if you're using Google Chrome or the latest version of Microsoft Edge. I'll now click on the Teams button from the taskbar on the left, and from here the general channel is open. To start a meeting from a channel, you can click on the Meet button at the top right. I'll now click on the Chat button from the taskbar on the left. From a chat at the top right are the options to start a video or audio call. I'll click on the Video button. Once clicked, a notification appears at the top left of the browser, asking for permission for Microsoft Teams to use your microphone and camera. To allow access, click the Allow button at the bottom right of the notification. And I am now calling Lisa Washington. I'll stop the call by clicking the Hang Up button at the bottom center of the interface. This has been an overview on discovering Microsoft Teams for the web.